Welcome to MML Plumbing. In this video, we explain how to quote your plumbing, heating, gas, boiler or heat pump installation work. The service is designed to provide you with an instant, transparent price for plumbing work, without the need for a home visit. All you need to do is fill out a simple online form. We've handled all sorts of plumbing jobs in many homes hundreds of times, so we're experts at estimating the work just by looking at a few pictures and asking some questions. In the form, we will ask you a few details about the plumbing or heating work, your budget, and the urgency of the job. You can also attach photos of the project. This will help us to see the work, and this is the only way to give you a personalized quote. Once you've submitted the form, our plumber or heating engineer will review the information and provide a quote normally within a few hours. If you accept the quote, we'll schedule a time to complete the work. Our online plumbing quotation service is free to use, and it's available to customers in North London. We'll be happy to help you get the plumbing work you need at a price you can afford. To get started, simply visit our website's Quote My Job page. The service is designed to be convenient and easy to use. Here are the steps involved. 1. We'll ask you for some basic information, such as your name, address, and phone number. 2. We also need detailed information about the plumbing or heating work needed. 3. You can also attach photos of the problem. 4. Choose how you would like to be contacted. 5. Within 24 hours, you will receive an instant, transparent price from an engineer. 6. For further questions, you can reply to our estimate and talk to an engineer online. They'll be able to answer any questions and help you understand the quote. 7. If you're happy with the quote, you can book the work. We'll send a plumber or heating engineer to your home to complete the job as soon as possible. 8. We arrive at your property and complete the job. Here are some of the benefits of using our plumbing quotation service. You can get an instant, transparent price for the work. You can talk to an engineer online to discuss your needs. You can attach photos of the problem to help us understand the issue. The service is free to use. We are a family-owned and operated business, so you can be sure that you are getting quality service. We are fully licensed and protected, so you know you're working with a good company. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee, so you know you're getting the best care possible. Unlock the best deals for your plumbing needs. Try our quotation service and receive unbeatable prices today and quote your job.